Hey guys, today we have Mega Bloks Cat. This is the Cat Mini Construction Set. This is a great build. Pretty easy looking. Comes with 15 pieces. Looks pretty cool. All right, let's open it up. One man with a blue cat shirt and a yellow hard hat. We also have a yellow wheelbarrow. All right, I better get this stuff moved in so we can start the construction project. First things first, let's be safe so traffic doesn't come through. Nobody gets hurt. All right, let's get started. Whew, that's coming along really good. Just move it over a bit. There we go. That's coming along great. That's a great kids play set. Just got to move a few rocks over and put them in place. Oh, that's a great setup. I think I've done a really good job here. All right, time for lunch. While our construction workers at lunch, let's see what else we can build. Oh, here we are. Hey, that looks really good. This is some really good landscaping. Very well done. Great job. All right, time to sit down. I think our friend fell asleep. We better wake him up because I think work's over for the day. Hey, construction guy. Oh, sorry, I must have fell asleep. Yeah, well, the day's work is done, so you can go home. Well, gee, thanks. Another great day. Talk to you soon. There's lots of different things you can build with this set. You can make lots of different places to sit. You can make walkways, benches, and even playgrounds. Perfect. Well, thanks for joining me today, guys. This has been Mega Bloks 15-piece cat mini construction site. Even though this is a smaller set, you can build lots of neat things, and you can make your own construction set. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to lots more great toy testing and more Mega Bloks construction site sets on Toy Tester Tom. See you later.